Ooh, somebody passed gas.
Eat that. No, 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 no. It's for pee.
For pee, not for eating. I think I'm blocking the light.
They got the same toy.
Which one?
All three of them.
What are you doing over there? Shh. Quiet, boys. Quiet. Probably a lot better than the little crates they were in.
They all have the same toy.
Shiba sharing. Sharing is caring. Look at the little tongue hanging out. What are you doing? Oh, you coming to say hello?
Edward's the tongue one.
Oh my god, he does the same hop around Shinji does. Oh.
You aren't shy.
No.
You aren't shy at all.
Hi, Selfie. I cannot believe he did the jump around. That's Shinji's jump around. Shinji does that. He does that whole hop and jump around.
Get away with the toy. I don't want to share. You do realize there are like 10 toys in here, right?
Something special about that one.
They must have peed on it.
There it is. There's jump around. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. There it is. There it is.
Sharp little nails.
Do the hop around. Oh. I think Sume's upset. He's barking at us. Sume.
What are you doing in my house? Hey! Hey, silly boy! Ow! Ow! Ow!
Sounds like somebody got ran over by dogs.